Hello, it's Lolly. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to do a quick video showing you how I'm keeping my PassBook exchanges and stuff organized. First off, I'm using the PassBook log file that is in the PassBook Pals group, and I'm keeping track of the name, address of the person that I'm swapping with, comments like what she requested or what I'm sending, the date I sent mine, the date I received hers. So I do have two sheets, one full and then one partially full. I'm keeping it on a red clipboard because I think it helps me to find it on my table. I also have a stack of my return address labels that I can put on the envelopes, and sometimes if I have a stamp that I know is already spoken for, I will stick it right there as a reminder. Now I want to show you too what I've done in the past, and I'm thinking about going back to doing is this. When I originally started PassBook Pals group, I thought, I was noticing it is hard to keep track of a piece of paper, you know, the log. So unless you put on a clipboard or in a 3-ring binder or hang it on the wall or something, it tends to get lost. So I made this to hang on the wall. And at the time, I was going to release a tutorial on how to do it, but then I noticed someone else in our group, this is a long time ago when we first opened the group, she had made a video too of a different style, so I wanted to wait a while. So let me know what you think. This is how it works. It's magnetized, so it doesn't flip up, and it's just like this, and the papers fit in the pocket here, so it's a way to keep it on the wall instead of sitting out where it can get lost in the shuffle of craft papers. So that's just one thought there. Okay, now my passbooks that I have made and I am in the process of filling up are in this. And this is just a cheap old plastic index card storage container like you would find at a thrift store. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them currently going right now. This is going to be for my fairy swaps, and I have, oops, here we go, my very first one right in here. And so I have 2 fairy swaps, 2 fairy stamps in there right now. I've got my Disney one, which is starting to fill up. This one, this is a different one, and keep in mind that you can have whatever theme you want on your passbooks. And this one is actually just reserved for one specific person because she and I will be swapping a lot. And so I decided I would just put all of her stamps in here that don't particularly fit into any other category. This is going to be for my travel one. I've got my first one here. And this is one. And this is a non-specific one, no theme. So anything that doesn't fit in the other ones will go in there. And here's my Hello Kitty one. Got my first Hello Kitty stamp and thread. My first Hello Kitty stamp in there. So that is those. Now, if someone sends me a stamp and I think that is such a great stamp, I would like to have a specific place, a specific book just for that, then what I would do is I would put that and the letter right in here together until I make the passbook. Okay, so that's those. And then stamps that I've made that are available, I am putting them right here. Now I have a whole set of Disney ones that I took out of here temporarily, but I'll put them back in here. So these are ones that I have that are available. And with my completed ones, I made this, which is the, it was a photo box, and I will give you the video link down below to how I made this. And I put the divider down the center. So these are the 3 that are completed. You will see how chunky these are. These are really fat ones, and they're kind of cute. My very first one, and then these 2. So, and these are non-specific themes. At that time, I really wasn't thinking toward themes. These are ones that I have cut, past books that I have cut and folded into the right size. These are greeting cards that I have cut down, ready to make into passbooks, but I haven't done anything with them. So I'm going to take these out and show you something else in a minute. The other thing that I'm using right now is this, it's one of those vinyl folders that holds 12-inch papers. I'm just putting specific travel papers and scraps in here that remind that I might be needing for passbooks. And also, these are pre-cut passbooks that I am going to make. So these ones are all already decorated and Mod Podged. This was a greeting card. This is the group's logo designed by Veronique. And that logo is also available in the group. And I used vinyl and then Mod Podged over it. This one I Mod Podged and then did the vinyl. So this one is really shiny. And these ones are Mod Podged, but they don't have any more writing or anything on them. So I've got all those ready to go should I need to grab another one. This one is not Mod Podged yet, but this is kind of my supplies bag there. Okay, now I took these out to show you that my other thinking. I thought I would do a traveler's notebook to hold these completed chunky passbooks. So if you're familiar with traveler's notebooks, passport size is the closest you're going to get. Technically, it's 3.5 by like 4.9 inches. But since this is 5, it works just fine. So I designed this in Silhouette Design Studio. And you can see it's got a little scallop right there so that when the elastic goes around it, it goes right into that little notch there. I love how chunky this is. It's just so cute. I think this is going to be really cute as a spine because you can put a label on here and have this on a shelf. And it could say like Passbooks 1 through 4 or travel theme or whatever your theme is for that. So the only thing is I designed this. This is my prototype. And I gave myself too much leeway. I did 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and 1/2 inch around the board, around the size of the passbook. And I don't need that much. I think it's too much border for me. So I'm going to redesign this. And when I get this redesigned, I will make the cut file available to you for free. And I will put it on my blog and I'll do a tutorial and I'll give you the link to the blog and the free SVG and Silhouette Design file too. So if you have a Cameo, Cricut, Brother Scan and Cut, you'll be able to use that to cut one out. So basically it's passport size traveler's notebook, but we've got a 2.5 inch spine here, which you're not going to find anywhere else. So let me show you how that would work. We've got 4 elastics in here. You would open this up to the center and put that in there. And then open this up to its center and put that in there. Again, I got to find the middle. Helps to look down the top here. Down the middle. And then I don't have a completed 4th one, but we can get one of these that's starting to get chunky like Mickey. Let's put Mickey in here. This is about as chunky as I can get right now. This one, so keep in mind that Mickey is not finished yet. When Mickey is finished, it'll be even chunkier. But you see how well that works. And how that will do. I just think that's going to be really cute. All I need to do, like I said, is trim off here, here, and here in my design and make it a little shorter this way. The spine will still be 2.5 inches, but you will be able to get 4 chunky passbooks in there, and I think it's going to be so adorable. So you can use the box method for your completed ones, or you can use this, and how adorable would this be on your shelf? Just so cute. Thank you for watching. Leave me comments below. Let me know what you think about this. Are you interested in me making a tutorial? Would you use something like this? Would it help you to keep track of your passbook logs? The only difficulty is that it does require you to pull it out, you know, in and out when you're filling out the bottom parts here. That's the only difficulty, unless we could magnetize it higher. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Let me know what you think, if that would be handy. And when I am done with the file on this, I will make a tutorial and I will make the file free to you. So thank you for watching.